In this video, you will learn how to find scholarly sources for your topic. From the NCC homepage, click on Quick Links and select Library to access the library homepage. We will begin with article searches and databases. You can access the databases by clicking on Databases A to Z here, or the Databases link here. Here's an A to Z listing of all the databases. We can search by subject. Click on All Subjects, drop-down menu, and I will be starting with psychology. You can search other subjects as well, depending on your topic. We have 15 databases that deal with the subject of psychology. You can begin with Academic Search Complete, Psychology Behavioral Collection, Academic OneFile, and scroll down the list to select others, but read the description to figure out if it is a relevant database or not. I will start with Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. Here is the database, and this is the search box where you will enter your search terms. I'm interested in finding articles that talk about whether games have an effect on memory of the aging population. So I'm going to choose the words aging and memory and game. I may need to change my search terms as I find my results. Here I find 31 search results, but before I go into the articles, I want to refine my results or filter them, which is on the left-hand side of the screen. If my professor wants peer-reviewed articles only, I will go ahead and select that. I can also limit the publication date. A lot of assignments require past 5 years or 10 years for sources, so I'm going to go ahead and select 2015. And here I can also pick full text. This tells the system that I want the full article right now. You can go ahead and select that, or you can see what your options are as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on full text. And here are the 3 articles that could be relevant to my topic. So here are the titles, here's the authors and some citation information, and then they give you subjects. Your search terms are bolded, and subject terms also can help us find some other search terms that you may not have thought about. I may not have thought about video games, so that's something else I can add as a search term. Computer software. There's other subjects here that could be helpful as well. So let's say this one looks interesting. To access the article, I just clicked on the title, and here is my article. In order to figure out if it's relevant or not, I can read the first couple of paragraphs to see. I like the PDF full text version, as it usually will show an abstract, as you can see here, and that will give me an idea if this is a good topic, a good article or not, as most of these articles can be very lengthy. In order to go back to my result list, I'm just going to click Result List, and if I want to look at the other articles, I can just go ahead and click on the title as I did previously. Once again, you can look at the first couple of paragraphs, click on the PDF full text view, and you can read the article that way as well. Okay, so I'm going to click out of this database, and I'm going to click on Academic OneFile. If you are able to get all your articles in one database, it's great. What I want to show you this one because it's from a different publisher, and that means it'll have different journals, and different journals can have different articles. So here is the search box for this database up here. I'm going to add in the same search terms and hit the magnifying glass as the search button. Here I get almost 5,000 results. So before I go into it, once again, look for refine your result or filter. Here it's on the right hand side of the screen. Full text is already selected. I'm going to select peer reviewed, and then I would also do the publication date if your professor requests past 5 years or 10 years. So go ahead and do that and click apply. I will not be doing it here because currently it is not working for this database. There's a slight glitch. So go ahead and now look, assuming you did your publication date filters, this number will decrease. So here you see it's a slightly different organization of the articles, but it's the same notion. So you can scroll down, you can look at the article titles, which are hyperlinked. Let's say this article looks promising. I can go ahead and click that. And as I scroll down, I can see here's the authors, here's some citation information where it was published. And then I see my abstract, so I can read this and the introduction to see if it's a good article for my topic. And I can look at some keywords too that can help me perhaps expand my current search terms. In order to go back to the results, I'm just going to click on results here, and it'll bring me back to my search results. And you can keep going down the list and see which articles are good. Okay, so I'm going to click out of this one, and I'm just going to show you some other key things on the library homepage that can be helpful. I do know citations are required for your assignments in APA. So if you go to research guides, and research guides are guides created by the librarians at NCC. If you scroll down and you go to how to, we have a citation guide that gives you an overview on APA citations. So here, if you click on APA citations link, you'll get some more information, some samples, formatting, and then APA citations from databases as well. If you ever need more assistance with your citations, please feel free to contact the librarian or the Writing Center. Another place we would suggest you start off with as well is the information literacy tutorial, which can be accessed right here. And this is a good place to just do a quick tutorial on improving your research skills. And you can just go through each part, and each part then has a little quiz you can do just to test your skills. And lastly, if you need any library assistance from one of the librarians, go ahead and click on this Chat Now option, enter your information, and a librarian will come on to provide assistance. Chat is available during the hours that the library is open. The librarians are not in the library. We're all working virtually, so the best way and the only way to contact us right now will be through this Chat Now option. Okay, thank you.